at the Sapphire Now 2012 in Madrid, and we are at the NetApp booth here with Guido from Connmove. Guido, could you please give us a brief overview of your SAP solution?
Okay, before I give an overview about the SAP solution, I want to introduce a little bit our company, Connmove. Connmove provides software and services for the SAP customer, which is nothing specific, but we are focusing really only on the Microsoft platform. As an example here, in the services part, one of our key topics is to migrate customers from various Unix platforms towards the Microsoft platforms, running when on commodity x64 environments. On the software part, we come up with our solutions, and here the main focus is on how to operate an SAP environment on the SAP Microsoft platform. So, which means today it's very complex to operate an environment, and we want to automate and to standardize common tasks. The best examples here, SAP system copy. If you copy an SAP system, it is a manual step with more than 100 tasks. We provide a functionality, we provide a software product which is called Easy Cloud, which automates everything of the steps. For, on the one hand, with costs, with reduced dramatically the effort, with the second thing, it minimizes the risks, and at the end, it saves costs to the customer.
Okay, and how has your alliance with NetApp helped to build a better solution?
The alliance with NetApp is a win situation for all, for the customer, for Connmove, and for NetApp. So in the case of the SAP replatforming I mentioned before, Connmove is in the early stage at the customer, and we can help the customer to make the right decision about the storage infrastructure, and together with a NetApp technology specialist, we ensure that the infrastructure is set up correctly, the installation went well, and the customer has the best performance on this platform. On the other hand, for the software part, NetApp is in the lead. NetApp has its existing customers, and we provide on top the functionality for the operation of the SAP system. So again, it is a win situation for all of us.
And what are the key benefits for the customers of going with your solution?
The key benefit for the customers, he gets an end-to-end integration. So he starts with the storage on the top, which is plain an infrastructure topic, up to the SAP environment and to the operation of the SAP environment. The benefit of the alliance is we have hardware from NetApp in our demo environment, and we have access to all the NetApp resources. So if we come up with any solution to the customer can make sure the solution was already tested in our labs and it works. So no test and try at customer side, everything is done in our labs, and the customer will get a final solution which works.
And are there any successful deployment customers that you would like to tell us about?
Due to the fact that our alliance is quite new, we have no project finished, so what we can mention the customer name or the brand. We are running at the moment 3 projects together with NetApp, where NetApp is providing the storage infrastructure, and we on top providing everything from SAP. It's well recognized by the end customer. The customer is already happens with the status of a project, but as mentioned, we are not finalized and finished yet, and so we cannot name any brand here. In the future, we have a very good relationship with all the NetApp guys, and I think it is a very good alliance, and we will go forward and bring the added value to the customer.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And thanks to Guido, we have learned a little bit more about Connmove relationship with NetApp and with SAP here at the Sapphire Now in Madrid.
Thanks.